Only attack I make. But Geldin chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Geldin Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently the artists throw some can in a dancehall yard and never call no foul. But we see the three priests them run cross and I say clock, clock, clock. Now, viewers and subscribers, the teacher throw some more can. It was very simple, the caption. Just a smile emoji, a baby face, a buckle, and question sign. You know what I mean? Yes, very simple caption, but the implications are very complex, viewers and subscribers. And from this day on, the artist will call himself, the man himself on IG will now be referred to as the man Guinep, viewers and subscribers. Yes, no youth, the boss say him not have no youth and I call himself the man in a dancehall music. One of the responsibilities of a man on this earth here is not to take care of the earth take care of itself. It is to go forward and multiply. Father Abraham they tell me. Father Abraham tell me so that is a duty imposed upon a man to go forth and multiply. And as a matter of fact, the other two members of his musical group, them have youth. I am alone now, have none viewers and subscribers. And we not come here to watch people. We not care where a nigga want to do with theme life. But you can't call yourself the man. And I say use an inspirational factor for the youth them a forward up. Nah, no youth. What is? And in the tax bracket where him could have do it. In the tax bracket where him could have do it, we hear squash the next statement and say, yo, wait. And he must say, oh, yo, them a watch man. Nobody now watching the artist. We are state the facts. We are point to it. I say, look at that. Look at that. And I go talk about them at the boss na dancehall music. One boss na dancehall music. Big up all other artists who continue to do it. Squash song right now a trend. Number one. Yeah. Scotch and soda. Big up yourself 6 bars and show them say your versatility and creativity. And that's what dancehall need. Dancehall need some artists for inner them feelings. And I say, yo, no. Put in the work. Just put in the work. We see them drop songs since the year start and all of them songs them lackluster. None of them not drop a good track. And even if the track subpar and it sound alright, we don't see the numbers on the charts. What them a do for dancehall music? What them a do for the culture? What them a do for the people without a youth? Them they've not help we for grow as a nation. You get me? I say no contributions to the nation. Viewers and subscribers, the teacher chose some more can. And as before, there were no names called. Nobody name not get mentioned. So make we see what some artists are gonna say. Make we see if at that time and now them are gonna remain silent and have nothing to say, because what would be the response to a statement like this? No names were called. Just a simple caption. Everybody else though, they know how I go on, so the people advise them opinion in the comment section. But other than that, there were no names called. Again, this time the boss, they even say the 3 priests, them are the 1 priest out of the 3. Him never said that. There was no need. All him do I present a statement to dancehall, and right away other dancehall artists too. We hear them a chime in, and I say reality. We hear them a chime in, and definitely I say a reality, viewers and subscribers. When we see it, I say no, you know, we have bring the reasoning to Gaza Nation. We have bring the reasoning to dancehall. And here we don't have to say about it. A man I consider himself the man of the game. No. When I talk about the age, the man say age is a number. A man is an individual, a male human being with certain responsibilities entrusted unto him, of which he must live up to. That is a man. That is a man, viewers and subscribers. Your teacher says, stand up and be a man. That is a man. So other than that, and if you not accomplish that yet, just go humble, man. Go on do some music. You have a small fan base, go and put out some music for them. keep yourself on your lane. And remember, you and the artist not cut from the same cloth. You are not the same. Achievements that speak, work ethic that speak, and characteristics of the individual speak for themselves as well. Know what I mean? The teacher have mute them. Extremely talented youth too. Youth will hold them own in the academics and also hold them own in the music industry. Recently, I say Iko. Yeah? I see the G listen to song, I never theme verse, I not sing the teacher verse, because it kind of that a certain volume where I couldn't directly hear the lyrical content. More likely it was a song from a teacher. But the way him voice sound while him said the verse, may I say use the next entertainer too. Use the next big DJ or a producer or some involved in music if him choose to. If I could choose to, him will also be a next big dancehall celebrity. Whether production side, music label owner, or even an artist to himself, viewers and subscribers. The teacher has contributed to the movement of the people, of the nation, of the culture, even separate and apart from the music, because he's a father. Yeah, keep that in mind. The artist is also a father. That is why we can consider the teacher as an inspirational factor. Plus the work ethic and, you know what I mean? The song them, how well people react to them, and the level of interest where the song always seem to get from individuals who either hear about it or are currently listening to it. Now, viewers and subscribers, some other artists have not made moves or contributions like those. So how can they be considered? How can they be even mentioned in the same sentence as the boss? Freedom is a must. On February, I will not stop saying. As I was saying in our previous vlog, but notice what going on. There's a lengthy delay still taking place, even though them said the appeal was at an advanced stage. But realize what going on. Them wanted to slip from our minds. We not make it happen. We not make it happen. We're there continue the discussion. We're there with the conversation. We're there with the reasoning, so there can be a thought on the minds of society constantly. So we don't forget say yo, we are wait upon the results. We are wait upon the verdict. Wait there. What the reason? I want to tell we all know. What go on? Now the judge's chambers. That's what them call it. I mean the room where the judge them go, like them office. They don't really call it the judge office. Them call it the judge's chambers. Some don't know what go on over there. We don't know what go on over there, but something not take place. Something not take place, viewers and subscribers. Keep your eye open. We not take no shakiness. We not take no shakiness. That freedom is a must. Maybe some people say reduce sentence. We don't want that. Freedom is a must, but it is a possibility. Because with them it takes so long, we know so there is a play at play. So what they are going to put in the work, same way, viewers and subscribers. And the boss of the weekend, yeah, him definitely give us some food for thought and also something humorous. We can all enjoy too, all laugh to and say, yo, and true, look for some people too. We are trying to size up from them. Them are youth. Them they didn't have none. Them are youth. Me I tell you, them not ready for this. Them not ready for this, viewers and subscribers. And we always are telling you, it's just that people prompt up people. You have some people boost up people like a tall buckle of super gent. And I say, yeah man, you ready, go on. Knowing said them not ready for it. Them would get dismantled. But feel like that was the aim with Fame career too, the man Guinep. But feel like some people set him up, start him with a say where him that say, hoping that would have mash up him career. And him never realized that. Him feel like say those people were well wishers to him. No, anybody who would have the best in mind for man Guinep, them that tell him say, yo, admit it because dancehall see it. Don't try to trick people. The people them know say I use the bar style. And from man Guinep say him nah use the bar style and Fame style, and man I say, yo, don't want man for make something you have it I use and I say for you. True you use it. And I yearn. And that is weird. You know what I mean? People start say, yo, Jano, not rate that youth here. Not rate that youth here at all. And they say him foothold in a dancehall slip. And in the game but no footage and no momentum in a dancehall from that. Talk no man, that is the truth. We see the artists who forward up after him come lap him in the music. Yeah. But it's the one called Geldin Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, viewers and subscribers, and I'm reminding you, and especially those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but to not like the reasoning and of course not like the point of view, well I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon. then the bell icon right after that and put it on all so that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, viewers and subscribers. The like icon there as well, so if you like we drop a like on the vlog. The share icon is also there as well, so from right here right now while watching this vlog you can make a share on the vlog and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them anywhere in the world them there, as long as they have an internet connection. In the comment section is always open to tell them to join the discussion. Just be mindful and respectful of the guidelines, however. But other than that, you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. I will look forward to continue reasoning there in the comment section. So you know there's something go up, move settings fam. I wanna need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love, and of course wanna prosper until we reason again fam.